Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be solving the palindrome number problem in LeetCode, which is number 9, and today we're going to be doing it in Java. Now before we get into the code, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. With that out of the way, let's hop right into it. Alright, so we are given a class named solution that contains a method isPalindrome. This method determines whether the given integer x is a palindrome or not. To start, we check if the number x is negative. If it is, we immediately return false as negative numbers cannot be palindromes. Next, we declare two long variables, reversed and temp. Reversed will store the reversed integer, and temp will help us manipulate the original integer without losing its value. The while loop allows us to reverse the integer x and store the result in reversed. The loop continues until temp becomes 0. Inside the loop, we extract the last digit of temp using the modulo operation temp%10 and store it in the variable digit. To build the reversed integer, we multiply the current value of reversed by 10 and add the digit we extracted. Finally, we remove the last digit from temp by performing a division operation, which is just temp divided by equals 10. Once the loop finishes, we check if the reversed integer reversed is equal to the original integer x, and if they are the same, we return true, indicating that x is a palindrome. Now let's go ahead and run it. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed or found it helpful, drop a like down below, drop a comment if you have any questions, subscribe for more, and we'll catch you in the next one.